My name is Cecilia Loesa, I'm from Argentina and I'm a public artist.
My name is Ledania, I'm a graffiti artist. I do public art in big formats.
My name is Carissa Blomacki. I am Senior Graphic Designer for Tavistock Development Company. By day and by night, I'm a painter and a muralist. I would describe my art as very bold, whether I use bright colors or black and white, very strong, bold, contrasting colors. My Pixon mural, when you're looking at the mural, you just feel like you're entering a different space. It was a really cool challenge for me to work on such a large piece and something that will stay for a while and be a big impact to the community.
It's so important to say that if I paint with the spray cans, I have a lot of opportunity to put a lot of colors. So I try to represent my style like a Latino American girl from Colombia, and also show all the colors of my patterns. It's my inspiration to do this piece in Pixon. I love this place, really love this place. And I think it's a good space for people to share and have different experience, just to have arts and music and stuff. And also they have a lake, that's what the name is. So I refer my own art in the ceiling because I want to make you feel, if you saw my mural, that you are inside the lake or maybe outside, but it's a reflection of the sky and the water.
I tend to find inspiration in nature and geometry, and Florida with its colors and brightness is a constant source of inspiration for me. So for this piece I wanted to incorporate that Florida vibe and also capture the dynamics of everyday life and create a sensation of movement with shapes and color. When it comes to my style, I strive to create unique pieces that are striking, meaningful and timeless, and it's important to engage the public through my work.